How to see open snaps again on Snapchat. Hello everyone, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Snapchat application on your device. You will be led to the camera. On the top left corner, you will see your profile icon or your Bitmoji. Tap on that and then tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and under privacy controls, you will see the option for my data. Tap on that. Here, tap on the data available for download option. Doing this will export a copy of the content in your Snapchat account to back it up. You can include data like your user information, chat history, support history, memories, and many more. So now toggle on the button for include your memories and other saved media and then tap on next. Here, choose the date range from when you want to download the data and then enter your email address that you have used for Snapchat. Tap on submit now, and with this your request has been submitted successfully. This process might take a long time to complete. You will receive an email when the export is done. And with this you will be able to see all the open snaps again. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.